What's up, students? Let's check this novel way of learning a lesson. Supplementary Reader Lesson 1, A Tale of Two Birds. We enacted the lesson in the form of a role play. Watch and enjoy. Before that, shall we know what you would be learning at the end of today's class? You will develop good reading habits, analyze the emotions of the characters in the story. Okay, so let me introduce the characters. There are two birds, the king and the rishi. Once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. A big storm hit the nest and killed the mother bird. Fortunately, the baby birds were blown to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived, and the other landed outside a rishi's ashram, a little distance away. Days passed by. Birdlings grew big. One day, the king of the country was exhausted while following a deer, sat under the tree near the cave of robbers. Suddenly, he heard a voice.
Quick, hurry up! There's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he'll slip away.
I think it's dangerous to stay here anymore. I should leave this place immediately.
The king was amazed to see a big brown bird, heard faint noises from the cave, quickly got on his horse and rode away as fast as he could. He comes to a clearing which looked like a rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat in its shade. Suddenly, he heard a gentle voice.
Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The rishi will be back soon. There's some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable.
This one, it looks like the other bird outside the cave.
You are right, sir. He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore.
Just then, the rishi entered the ashram. The king asked the rishi about the two birds behaving differently, though they looked alike.
The forest is full of surprises.
After all, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird near the robber's cave always heard the talk of the robbers, and he imitated them and talked about robbing people. This bird which you saw outside my ashram has repeated what he has always heard from me. He welcomes people and greets them to the ashram. Students, now let us learn the moral the story teaches us. It shows us how a person's company can influence him and change him. It also emphasizes that we should always have good company. So students, you need to learn to choose your friends wisely. Having good friends leads to a better future. You can start having good friends by being the good friend yourself. So students, before we finish the class, let me tell you a few lines in Sanskrit. Satsangatve nissangatvam, nissangatve nirmohatvam, nirmohatve nischalatatvam, nischalatatve jivanamuktihi. Now I want you to find out the meaning of this sloka and tell it to me. Thank you.